All right, welcome to the CIY Capital Daily NQ Recap. Today is Monday, March 9th, 2026, and wow, the market sent a really clear message. So let's break down what happened, what was really moving the needle, and how we can get ready for tomorrow's session.
So on the surface, you'll see the NQ finish down 1.65%. But you know, that number, it doesn't even begin to tell the real story. What happened today wasn't just some ordinary selling. It was about one single, powerful fear that totally took control of the market.
And that fear has a name, stagflation. This, right here, is basically the market's worst nightmare. Think of it like a toxic cocktail where the economy is slamming on the brakes, but at the very same time, the price of everything you buy just keeps going up and up.
So why is this word suddenly on everybody's radar? Well, it really comes down to two big pressure points. First, we got this huge geopolitical headline over the weekend. The Strait of Hormuz is effectively shut down. And second, we're still feeling the aftershocks from Friday's jobs report, which showed the economy actually lost 92,000 jobs.
Now let's look at how these two events create the perfect storm. That shutdown in the Strait sent oil prices flying, all the way up to $119 a barrel, which obviously pushes inflation higher. Meanwhile, those job losses, they just prove the economy is getting weaker. So you have high inflation and a weak economy. It's literally the textbook setup for stagflation.
And here's the crucial part, the real problem. This leaves the Federal Reserve completely trapped. See, normally, to fight a weak economy, they'd just cut interest rates to help things out. But they can't. There's no way. Cutting rates right now would be like throwing gasoline on that inflation fire. Their hands are completely tied.
Okay, so let's get practical. Let's move to the NQ chart and map out the battlefield for tomorrow. The ceiling to watch is the gap from this morning's open, right at 24,611.25. And the floor, the next major area that we absolutely need to see hold, is down at 24,150. In a chaotic market like this, these are the only two levels that matter right now.
A day like today is designed to stir up emotion, to make you panic. So you have to ask yourself a simple question. Were you trading with a clear plan today, or were you just reacting to the chaos? Because emotion, let's be honest, is a trader's worst enemy when volatility spikes like this.
The only way to fight that emotion is with a system. And this is the simple blueprint Ron Rose teaches every single trader he works with. You have a clear reason for your entry, a protective stop loss so one bad trade can't take you out, and a defined target where you take profits. There's no guesswork, no hoping.
And this really gets to our core philosophy. We are not in the business of gambling. Our number one job isn't to make $1 million tomorrow. Our number one job is to protect the capital we have today. The system is designed to do exactly that on every single trade.
And you know, that approach can be tailored specifically for you, no matter where you are on your journey. Whether you're a beginner just finding your way, a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your edge, or you're trading a small account where every single decision counts, having a plan that's built for you makes all the difference.
So if you're ready to stop trading on emotion and start using a system that works, visit CIYCapital.com. Ron works one-on-one with traders to build a plan that fits their specific accounts and, just as important, their life.
For daily updates and more market recaps just like this one, make sure you're following @RonRoseTrading on all the social platforms.
That's the wrap for today. And remember, this is all for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Trade smart, protect your capital, and we'll see you tomorrow.